How's it going? Jack over at Contemporary Automotive. Got a couple of questions on how the trailer brake in the 2500s work, so I just wanted to shoot a quick video going over that. Just want to start off by saying this is a 2024 Ram 2500 that does have the tow package. That's why you're going to have the tow/haul mode right here, along with your trailer brake controller over here. Depending on what you're towing and how heavy it is, sometimes a trailer brake is required. You can manually adjust it right here, and it's going to give you an icon up in your dash. And then right above the brake controller, you're going to have the plus and minus sign, which adjusts the gain. Typically you want to start off with a higher gain and then adjust down, but like I said, depends on what you're towing and how heavy. Also, while you're towing, you can go to the vehicle tab and the dashboard tab, pull up trailer towing. It'll give you a bunch of gauges, access to cameras. You can also scroll down, go to the setup and save default settings for your trailer brake if you're towing something lighter or heavier. Once again, Jack with Contemporary Automotive. Just wanted to shoot a quick video. Hopefully I answered some common questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, 603-213-5015.